On 27 February 2021, the MLA of MAWSYNRAM constituency, Hima M. Shangpliang, had inaugurated the 3 ICDS buildings and Mawpen and Ingkyrsa villages. These buildings were earlier sanctioned through the ICDS scheme for the education of children and welfare of womenfolk. It may be mentioned that the MLA had earlier made available the scheme during his term as Director of the Social Department, Government of Meghalaya, wherein he had inspected the buildings that were in a dilapidated state. Shangpliang was accompanied by the CDPO of MAWSYNRAM, MANBHA NONGKHLAW, staff of ICDS, children and residents of Mawpen and Ingkyrsa villages.
Spirit juga ICDS kalong kalong ba hakani the building niyo bangin ai yaki non formal education kata kamut bangin yo ban ai ki kajingnang kajista them the thought data kamut kumbang yo skill ki haparit mane ba ki ruai kamut kito ki jing ruai lane ki jing spell and that ya alphabet kumta ter kilong ki non formal education ki bangin yo ai kini haparit desisha dah badan kan ini building ini ki haparet baro kilayo ban ri tengen ni aku por shit aku por slap kini yo ban wan ban simbenta ya katakan nutrition program jong ke sarkar ka special nutrition program jong ke sarkar kadang ban ai haki ya kata ke jingbam ka bante ka met joki tenga dokumen sisa hakani ka thanjungi baki kemi benta Kila smutu ya ke jingdon kam ban shim ya kini ke jingbam na ke ICDS center but ki jukti star banwan ban shim ke jingbam na kini ke anganwa di center jungi